Hi friends, I am Mary from Mary Crochet. Today we are making this beautiful and functional crochet lip balm holder. It's a very easy and beginner friendly project. But before starting this project, remember to follow and subscribe your crochet buddy Mary. For this project we need two yarn colors, white and red, and hook size is 3.5. Now we will start the project by making a magic ring or magic circle, chain 1 and 6 single crochets in the magic ring. I repeat again, we will make 6 single crochets in the magic ring. Pull the yarn tightly and slip stitch into the very first single crochet that we have make. So in the magic ring we will do 6 single crochets. Okay, for round number 2 we will do chain 1 and we'll do 2 single crochets in each stitch across. What we are doing is just very simple, nothing fancy. 2 single crochet in each stitch across. So in the end we will have total number of stitches 12. I repeat again, 2 single crochet in each stitch across. So this is the last one, single crochet and slip stitch into the very first stitch that we have made. Alright, now just watch carefully. This is the tip to make the double crochet edges straight. So what we are doing is chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the very next stitch and do 1 more single crochet at top of the single crochet. So this is the trick which will keep your project and the double crochet edges very smooth and straight and also give your project a very nice and clean look. So okay, now what we will do is 1 double crochet in each stitch across but at the back side of the loop. 1 double crochet in the back loop in each stitch across. See how simple and easy this project is, and it's a very easy beginner friendly pattern and very useful too actually. And also my girls, remember to follow and subscribe your crochet buddy Mary. Okay, the previous row has been completed, and for starting the new row we repeat the pattern again. 1 single crochet and 1 more single crochet at the top of the previous one. And but for this row what we will do is we will do 1 double crochet in the front loop across. For the previous row what we did is 1 double crochet in the back loop of the single crochets. So very simple, only 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch across. Just keep on doing, and by following this same pattern we will make total number of rows 5. Alright, here we have reached the end. So the total number of rows that we have crocheted 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. Alright, now keep this white part a little bit away. Now we will work with our red yarn. Okay, the red yarn that I am using is a little bit chunky, so for this I am using hook size number 4. Now make a magic ring or magic circle, chain 1 and 8 single crochets. Sorry, what will, oh my hook is stuck. 8 single crochets in the magic ring. 8 single crochets in the magic ring. Now pull the yarn tightly and slip stitch in the very first single crochet that we have made. Alright, now we'll start our work by doing chain 2, 1 and the 2 chains, and we will do 2 half double crochets in each stitch across. In each stitch we will do 2 half double crochets. So in the end we will have total number of stitches 16, 1 6 16. 2 half double crochets in each stitch across. Alright, we have reached at the end of the row. What we will do is simple just slip stitch in the very first stitch that we have made. So for row number 3 we will do chain 1 and another chain 2, and we will go to the next stitch. We will do 1 half double crochets in each stitch. Simple 1 half double crochets in each stitch across. Just keep on doing these stitches. I will see you at the end. And my girls, remember to follow your crochet buddy Mary, and I'm also on Facebook and Instagram, so do follow me there. I would love to see there. So alright, by repeating the same pattern we will crochet total number of rows 4. Now cut the yarn, and yes, it's time to weave your end. Alright, here are the 2 pieces that we have crocheted. Now come back to the white part. What we will do is simply we will make chain stitches, and the chain stitches length is up to your desire, that how much long the strand you need. But here I am crocheting approximately total 40 chains, and that will be long enough. See, it's long enough. So here I am crocheting a little more. The total number of chains that I crocheted for this strand is 40 chains, and see, it's pretty long enough. Yeah, it's okay. So now cut the yarn strand. So make sure the strand is little much longer so that you may sew it nicely. So just watch carefully that how I am attaching these 2 pieces together. This is so easy, girls. Nothing fancy in it. See, just take the yarn, pull it through the just pull it through, and from the other side again pull it through. Yes, and then sew it into the opposite side Yeah, into the opposite side of the other strand. Yeah, just sew it nicely. First make a slip stitch and then secure it tightly. See, yeah, like this, and sew it. Alright, now adjust these two pieces nicely and gently too. And look how cute and adorable this lip balm holder looking. I just like can't wait much to use it. So cute. Okay, now we can also put a little embellishments on this lip balm holder, or you may use it like as it is. So here I'm using a little tiny beads, just a drop of glue gun, and stick it there. Oh my goodness, this is so cute and adorable. I love it, and I hope so you also love it too. So just keep on adding the tiny embellishment on the holder. It's totally up to you. It's your choice that you can add, or you can use it as it is, like it is. See how cute and adorable it is looking. I just love it, and I just hope that you also like this tutorial. And my girls, remember to follow your crochet buddy Mary, and do join me on my Facebook and Instagram account. So here is the final look of our lip balm holder. I'll show you how functional it is. Just take your lip balm, put it inside and pull it down. And pull it down. Ta-da! It's all done. So girls, thank you so much watching this video, and remember to subscribe and follow your crochet buddy Mary. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, bye. See you. God bless you.